So so his mom and everyone were got scared. The doctor said that he will never be able to walk, okay, because गारंटी बहुत कम थी. And then उसके बाद फिर they took him to a different hospital, ortho specialist. Some Spark hospital is there, I guess that is in देहू रोड, I guess पुणे देहू रोड के यहाँ पर है. स्पर्श, सॉरी नॉट स्पार्क, दैट इज स्पर्श. सो दे वेंट देयर एंड वहाँ पर उसकी सर्जरी एंड एवरीथिंग सब कुछ हुआ था. सो इन दैट टाइम ऑल्सो वी वेर इन रिलेशनशिप एंड बट वी वर नॉट दैट मच कनेक्टेड द वे वी आर नाउ. ओके, सो वी आर लाइक ओके फाइन, मतलब फ़ोन वोन पे बात करते थे, ये सारी चीज़ें होती थी, बट जो एक कनेक्शन आता है ना रिलेशनशिप में, दैट वॉज नॉट देयर. Again, the people are shouting down there. I don't know why the hell they keep on shouting. And every day this, मुझे मेरा time change करना है because these kids keep on playing cricket over there and they keep on shouting. But anyways, it's okay. So ये सारी चीज़ें हुई and he went to the operation and everything. And even I did go there, of course, चुप चुपा के to meet him. I did see him. He was in terrified condition, you know, spine पूरा break हो चुका था उसको. 26 stitches है अभी भी बैक में, 26, 27. And then he went to multiple surgeries for that. And उसके बाद we were asked to walk on the 3rd day. Okay, so that was in front of me only. So somewhere he was able to take the step with the walker and everything, but almost for 6 to 7 months for him walking was very difficult. Okay, but still the doctors were very happy because he's still able to walk in spite इतना बड़ा ऑपरेशन होने के बाद भी. ओके, वेरिन डॉक्टर वेर फीलिंग लाइक यू नो ये कभी चल ही नहीं पाएगा. सो ये सारी चीज़ें हुई उसके साथ एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई वाज देयर एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. बट when he went home and when he was, you know, at home, he got very chidchida kind of. Okay, and of course at his place I was not there because I was with my family and I can't of course go there because तभी घर पे पता नहीं था. and उसके बाद बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुए and somewhere no he was I know I might sound you very rude, very bad, or the girl who is you know treating a person according to the situation, but that is not true. Okay, so क्या हुआ, eventually after almost it was a year. Okay, so distance तो था ही पहले, but somewhere we used to meet, you know, in a month, twice in a month, thrice in a month, not in a month, मतलब 2-3 महीने में एक बार.